Yep, in this video I want to talk about this guy here, the Fruity PanOMatic. I'll explain to you what it does. I'll explain to you some things you don't know. Nobody knows about this PanOMatic. Then I'll also tell you the reason why you may want to use two of these in a channel. So this is the beat. I have a video where I made this beat. I'll leave it in the video card. You can check it out. We also have something below.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh.
I will show you PanOMatic on that too. Okay, so before we jump into the video, if you know you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to this channel. It helps us to make new videos. I'm El Proto, this one Pro Studio. Let's jump in it. The thing I will put the PanOMatic on here is the hi-hat. It works on volume and panning. Pan it left or right. So listen to the hi-hat. Let me increase it so that we just get the hi-hat. So that's the panning. This one is for pan. This next one is for volume. I middle click on my mouse wheel to bring it to the center. It's for volume, so let's hear it. Middle click on my mouse wheel to bring it back to the center. But that's not why you want to use this PanOMatic. Right now it's set to off. If you check here, okay, I can increase it. Let me increase it so that we see it very well. This is the Fruity PanOMatic. In this place here, you see pan, PN. It's already moving. So it kind of automates the stuff, moves left to right. If I move this one here, speed, it will make it go faster. If I move it all the way to the right, slower to the left. This is the amount. Let me put the speed. This amount sets whether this one here, if it will go all the way to my right, goes all the way, or all the way to my left. It doesn't move at all. It's the extent to which the panning will go. That's what this one does. Then the next one, let me just place that. Well, that keyboard is not in the mixer. Let me put it there. Control L. This one's here. This one is sine. This one is triangle. And this is square. The sine moves smoothly. For the triangle, it's not that smooth. That's the way it moves. For the square, you can see it. Look at this sine. Just goes smoothly. Triangle. Then the last one, which is the square, just moves once. Let's hear it. Let's hear the triangle. Okay, then the sine. Another thing that this PanOMatic does is volume automation. Let me take the amount all the way up. Let's hear it. So the speed controls the speed of the up and down. The amount controls how far it goes. So I'm just going to leave this here to control the volume. And I want to show you next why you may want to use two PanOMatic. This one will control the pan. So let's hear it. I don't know if you can hear it. There's this circle movement. Please use headphones for this video or pair of studio speakers. You hear that the sound is like it's rotating in your ear. The way I'm hearing it is just like it's an arc. I arranged this one time, it feels like the thing is going in circles in my ear. Let me bring the amount a little bit slow. Down. Let's hear it. thing that nobody will tell you about this PanOMatic is that if you add the default PanOMatic and PanOMatic is not doing anything, it kind of like this is at the default stage. PanOMatic is not doing anything. It's off, but it adds to the overall sound. Let me play it. Without the PanOMatic, everything is kind of clean center. Maybe clean is not the right word, but everything is in the center. But there's this spread the PanOMatic will add. Remember, the PanOMatic is not doing anything. Let me put an EQ on this. Okay, so let's hear it without the PanOMatic. I want to show you that effect with these two.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now this is the default state of PanOMatic. It's even off. Without PanOMatic.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
You can hear it. Can you hear it? If you can't hear it, leave a comment. Without PanOMatic.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
There's this spread to the sound, and if you can hear something else, let me know. There's this swag about it. Let me put it on the kick, because I want to show you, when you spread signal, it's not good for the low end. So I want to just put it on purpose on the kick so that I show you. Now this is the default state of PanOMatic. Now I want to put it on the kick without PanOMatic. I don't know if you can hear it. No, without PanOMatic. There's this sharpness in the kick without the PanOMatic. With the PanOMatic, it's like there's a spread. No, it's good for the low end, like spreading things out or stereo widening. I'll do another video to show you that. Listen to the brightness of the kick without PanOMatic. Without. That does not come from the high end. I believe it comes from the low end. That's what I believe. Because if you spread low end out, it will kind of make it not that sharp, like not that punchy. Okay, I think that's the word. Punchy. This last one is what you will not see anybody tell you about PanOMatic. In fact, many other plugins, they have their own sounds to them. And I'll do a video on that to show you different plugins with their own different sound. Like the video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. That's how we make new videos. It will cost you nothing. And hit the notification bell so that you don't miss it when we drop new videos. I'm El Proto. This is on Pro Studio. That's it.